Oh, beautiful cardinal. Oh, here, a little tweet tweet. Happy Wednesday. Oh, here, a couple more. God is good. Oh, and a blue jay. Oh my goodness. What? Lego, you're missing all the birds. There's like a whole... Why do we have so many chairs in the backyard? I don't know. Anyway. Oh my goodness. Lego. It's a bird overload. What are you doing? You're supposed to be bird watching. Oh. Are you just further pointing out that I have not gotten my suitcase upstairs? I got all my shoes put away. Oh, you're not interested? Okay. I'll just bird watch by myself. Oh, you're a blue jay. I've officially turned into a crazy cat lady bird watching person. Fantastic. Awesome. Happy Wednesday. Lego, how did you get in the She Shed Music Studio? I heard you meowing. When did you go in there? Oh my goodness. Lego. I didn't even know you were in there. You silly kitty, what are you doing? When did you go in there? Huh? Hopefully there's not like a hole.